Alright, I'm finna show y'all because I'm about to buy 530 shipping labels, which is a total of $2,303.34. If y'all put in that work, this could be you. Alright, look, I just got everything figured out. Just got off the phone with my bank, and I guess I had like to raise my limit or something like that. So I told them I'm gonna be like spending about 5,000, 2,000 right there. So let's close that out and let's see, can we purchase it? Hopefully it'll go through. And oh shoot, it went through. All right, so as you can see, it is printing out or buying the labels, 33 out of 530 labels. YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? I haven't been on this a cool little minute, I'm not gonna lie. But hey, if you click on this video, that means you're trying to get your bread up. You my age, trying to get your bread up. Hey, I don't blame you. So I'm put you on all the sauce. Make sure you watch all the way through. I'm gonna give you guys some good advice. I'm not gonna go like into depth how to do everything, but I'm gonna give you some pointers of what you need to start with.
I found this on the web.
What are you talking about, Siri? But anyways, I'm gonna give you guys some things that you guys can do to start making money if you're my age, teenager, whatever, young little boy, I don't care. And it does not cost a lot to start. So let's get into the first thing. Look, anybody could do this. You just gotta put effort, time, you just gotta be focused for real. But anybody could do this. I know y'all saw that first clip. I just bought $2,000 worth of shipping labels. See, hold on. Hopefully I don't get their address, but look at that. Look at that. All them shipping labels. This is not even all of them. I think it's about 200. I think I have like 320 more to print, but see, this could be you. This could be your brand, this could be your business, whatever. All these shipping labels, this could be all you. You just gotta put in that work for real. But hey, like, make sure, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I'm trying to get monetized. Nigga trying to get that Hellcat scat pack. So hey, y'all make sure to like it up, watch all the way through. Let's get to the first item, or the first thing I meant. If y'all need some proof, whatever, evidence, I got y'all. All right, bet. So look, y'all see that right there? 15 bands in like, I think it's like 90 days, I think. But see, I made my website like around November 21st. I didn't really do nothing. And then, what is it? December's when I started getting some sales. It was kind of flat. And then boom, just took off right there. Almost hit, what is that? Is it right there? What's the top? I had $995, almost $1,000 in one day. But, you know, I have consistent sales now. It's not as crazy as when I first started, but it's still a good amount. But $15,000 in sales. Anybody can do this. Hold up. Look at that. Refresh. Boom, right there. This is not cap. Anybody could do this. Oh God, hey, you just gotta work for it, man. I'm just showing y'all that because I'm not capping. I'm 100% legit. I'm gonna put y'all on all the sauce for free. I'm not capping. I'm not trying to set y'all up for nothing. I'm just trying to put y'all on. So all y'all can start getting that bread, getting that money, get them scat packs, get them Hellcats, get them Mercedes, get them Trackhawks. Hey, whatever y'all trying to get, I got y'all. I start off with sneaker reselling, which actually, let me see. These are my last two shoes that I'm gonna be reselling, and then I'm gonna like stop that. Because sneaker reselling, I mean, it's a good start. You can bring in a lot of money. You can scale it to be like some really big sneaker store in LA, like Cool Kicks LA, Cookies in Kicks, which is a scam. I'm pretty sure y'all saw that, if y'all know. But yeah, I just sold these on Go, and I sold these on Go. So my sneaker reselling days are pretty much over with. I mean, it's a good source of income, but it's just like, oh, it's such a headache getting the shoes in. Gotta make sure they're legit, take pictures, post them, go back and forth with people about the price. People ask, are they real? There's like a whole bunch of stuff I just don't feel like dealing with anymore. There's too many easy ways to make money out there for me to still be sneaker reselling. I mean, I might do it from time to time, but I'm not really doing as like heavy as I used to. Like if I come out, if I'm like looking on Ground or something and I see a steal, I'm gonna pick it up and then I'll probably resell it. But I'm not gonna be out there just like trying to resell shoes, especially when they sit. That's like so annoying when they sit for like months and weeks. I just end up dropping the price and it's like getting them out of here. But y'all can start off with sneaker reselling. I really do recommend that. That is like pretty much what everybody starts with. I'm not gonna lie. Everybody named mama started with sneaker reselling. I don't think it's like a trend anymore, but sneaker reselling was like super huge. Everybody used to resell sneakers. It's like nothing new. My dad used to do it back in the day. I think so. Yeah, I think my dad used to resell shoes, and yeah, he did. He almost started a sneaker store, but that would have been pretty cool, you know, but it has sneaker store blogs and all that. But y'all can start off with sneaker reselling. I really do recommend that. How I started, took my old shoes. I remember clearly. It was the Jordan 11 Concord, size 6Y, had the box, really good condition. I sold them on Poshmark for like $100. Took that like $80, I think. Took it and then bought some more shoes, sold them, bought more shoes, sold them thing around the house, got some more money, and just bought more inventory. I took my money and then reinvested it into my business. Now, I don't really resell shoes like that, like talk about no more. This is like too much of a headache, especially like posting every single shoe. Like, oh my god, jeez. I mean, I don't mind taking pictures, but like doing that like every day. Oh, especially cleaning the shoes. Like if you're not gonna get brand new, which I recommend, do not buy. Like if you're starting out, get used and then just clean them up. But that's the point. I mean, that's the thing. It takes up a lot of time. Like, I used to be in that bathroom scrubbing for like 2 hours straight trying to get them shoes clean. But hey, that's a really good side hustle to start with. Sneaker reselling is the first thing. You could grow it. Sneaker store, like I said, sneaker cons, whatever you want to do with that. You could scale it. It could be like infinite amount of opportunity out there to scale it and to do whatever you want, or you can just keep it like a small little side hustle like what I did to get you started into something else. So the first thing, sneaker reselling, buy used when you're first starting out. Connections are key, especially with sneaker reselling. Connections are key, like you need connections, bro. Definitely try to post on Instagram and TikTok a lot to get your clients, an audience, whatever, and make new connections, because there's a ton of sneaker resellers out there trying to build new connections and new plugs, whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you get a black light. I'm pretty sure that doesn't matter, but just make sure you be on your A game, especially when it comes to reselling sneakers, because you do not want to resell a fake sneaker and then you're gonna get a bad reputation. So just be careful with that. First thing, sneaker reselling. Do I recommend it? If you're starting out, yes. If you have some money to play with, maybe. This depends how much time you have in your hand. If you do not have a lot of time in your hand, I do not recommend sneaker reselling, because that is going to take a lot of time. You gotta source the shoes. Once you get the shoes, you gotta post them, make them look nice. You gotta go back and forth with people about the price. It's like a whole bunch of stuff, but I do recommend it if you are starting out. So let's get into the second thing. All right, for the second thing right here, I really do recommend this. Low capital to start with, infinite amount of scalability. You can scale it to a whole like corporation. Let's just say Scrub Daddy, pretty much. You could scale it to like some big brand, Nike, Adidas, whatever. But this is drop shipping. You can make an infinite amount of money. I don't care what nobody say. They just trying to eliminate the competition by saying drop shipping is dead. Shut up. You're just trying to make people not do it. But hey, drop shipping, you can make a whole bunch of money if you do it right. One thing I recommend you do not sell low quality products. Make sure you sell products that solve a problem and good quality. You could throw your brand on there if you want to, but yeah, just don't sell low quality products. Marketing is like super duper important. Do not make your website look scammy, like scam. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know the websites y'all go on, it's like, it's a scam. But y'all know, like when you go on like Gucci and all them designer luxury websites, that makes you want to buy. It feels like a good experience on the website. So make sure your website's super clean, simple. Don't have like pop-ups like everywhere. Do not have ads, especially do not have ads. Oh my god, do not have ads. But yeah, don't have ads. Just make it like simple, modern, sleek, whatever. Just don't make it look scammy-ish, because then people are not gonna buy if it looks like a scam website. You feel me? So yeah, just don't do that. Make it look nice and simple. And if y'all want to go support me, my website is in my bio. If you want to go cop, I sell shoelaces right now and I sell phone cases. So if you want to go support your boy, go cop in the bio. Growlocker.us. That's my website right there. Yeah, drop shipping, you can make anywhere from like, I don't even know, bruh. It's like not even a minimum. You can make like infinite amount of money. You can make, there's a whole bunch of people that made like what is it, like 6 figures, 7 figures, 8, nah, I don't know about 8 figures, but probably some fake people. But yeah, if you do it the right way, you can make a lot of money with this drop shipping. Yes, bro. I'm not gonna tell y'all how to do it. There's tons of videos on the internet breaking down each and every step. There's like a whole 7-hour video that I'm still watching right now on how to drop ship. So I recommend it 12 out of 10. Like, you can make a whole bunch of money. It's like not even a lot of work. You don't even have to have the inventory with you, because the manufacturers, they don't try to get over on you. So you gotta watch out for that. All right, for the third thing, this is for like little kids, to be honest. This is like 12, 13, 14. You kind of like a youngin' for real. Depending where you live, you can either, let me see, what does it say? You can either mow yards, like Louisiana, Texas, whatever. If you're like in Alaska or Canada, whatever, you can shovel snow. And then for me, I could pick weeds, because there's a lot of in California, weeds go like everywhere. It's so annoying. That's why we have a ton of tumbleweeds out here. But oh yeah, if you live in LA, you can mow grass too. But yeah, I'm pretty sure most y'all that live in California, it's just like straight desert and weeds and tumbleweeds and stuff. But yeah, that's like a really good side hustle. Also, if you don't want to do it by yourself, you could do it with a friend. That'll make it so much easier. You guys can split the pay however you want to split it. But you can just like, you could charge like what the condition of your yard is. If it's like insane, charge their ass like $30. If it's like a cool little 30-minute job, charge them like $10, $20, whatever. Nah, if it's crazy yard, charge their ass like $50, because I know they don't want to do it. But yeah, you just gotta figure that out. I don't know, I'm not gonna tell you the pricing, but hey, I never did that before, but that's just a really good side hustle to do. Anybody can do it. My little brother could go start doing it right now. Get him some what, like $500 a week if he work every day for like a few hours each day. But yeah, that's a really good side hustle if you don't want to make a website. That's a really good start if you're a little bit younger watching this video. So yeah, mowing yards, it's classic. Who hasn't done it? My dad probably did that back in the whatever 1970s or whatever. So I'm pretty sure that's not going away anytime soon. People always need their yards done. They always want to make them look nice, but I'm pretty sure nobody's gonna turn you down. Come on now. Hey, if somebody knocked on my door right now and say I'll pick all your weeds for $20, I'm like, hell yeah, here you go, bro, I got you. So yeah, this is like an easy side hustle for real. I don't think you're gonna get a lot of no's. You'll probably get, out of like 20 people, you're probably gonna get like 1 or 2 no's. So that's a really good side hustle if you wanna if you don't want to do the online stuff. For this next one, this really depends on like how your school is. I know mine, they don't really play that snack reselling stuff, but what you can do, go to Costco. Everybody's done this, you already know about it. If you don't know about it, you're living under a rock. Just go to Costco, bulk buy soda, candy, snacks, whatever. Get you a duffel bag, put the snacks in a duffel bag, and then bring them to school. You can even make an Instagram account for your little snack resale page. Yeah, that's like easy bread for real. I've seen people make like $1,000 a week, $500 a week. I mean, this is like, depends like what you got for real. You could charge $1, $2, $3, $5, whatever you got. You could just like charge whatever you want pretty much. But that really depends on like how strict your school is. I know ours, they shut down like every snack reseller that ever tried to resell snacks, like ever. Like each time they shut you down for real. And they be holding your inventory too. They'll be like, hey, give me your duffel bag, and then they bring it to the office, and then they give it to you like at the end of the day or like at the end of the week or something like that. It really just depends on your school. That's a really easy, safe, fun side hustle to do. I mean, the only downside is that people are definitely gonna ask, can I get a discount? Can I get this for free? No, you're not getting a discount. No, you're not getting nothing for free. That's like a really easy side hustle to do along with mowing yards, especially at school. Cause I know me, hey, I be, hey, shawty, you got that, you got those snacks? She's like, nah. Like, come on, bro. Like, I'm trying to buy snacks. But yes, I be looking for the snacks. I know I'm not the only one, because the school food is like disgusting. I'm gonna pop up a picture right here because we know school food is disgusting. But yeah, snack reselling, yeah, you could do that. Just really depends on your school. Easy bread, easy money. You could probably eat a little bit of your supplies if you want to. So you know, that's a really good side hustle right there. Your customers, you definitely gonna have a lot of customers, because we know them kids at school be hungry. Because I know some of them, they don't be eating at all. They wait till they get home to eat. Cause that school food something else, for real. That school food is nasty. I cannot wait to graduate, so I do not have to eat that school food no more. Or I cannot wait till I'm a senior, so I can go off campus. I'm gonna just go home, make me like a sandwich or something like real fast, because I'm tired of eating that school food. But I still got 2 more years to go until my senior year. I am a sophomore right now. But yeah, I just can't wait so I can go off campus for lunch. I don't have to eat that school food no more. God, let that day come soon. But hey, snack reselling, you don't need to have a lot of money to get into it. You could just start off with like $20, go buy a little big box of this Skittles, and then sell them. Once you sell out, take that $60, go buy more stuff, take that $60, like take that $120, and then buy some more stuff. So hey, that's really good styles to start with. If anybody in my school watching this, hey, y'all need to start selling more snacks. Hey, I be hungry, I'm like, God, I'll buy something from you every day. Like, I be looking forward to the girls or boys or whoever that be bringing snacks to school. I'm like, hey, you got it? They'd be like, nah, I ain't bringing it to that. I'm like, come on, bro. It's like, that school food is so gross. All right, for this next one, it's kind of like sneaker reselling, but what it is like you just walk around the house, find some old stuff that you don't wear no more, your mom's old shoes that she don't wear no more, your mom purses that she doesn't use no more, because I know she got like 30 in her closet. But just walk around the house, walk in the garage, walk in the backyard, just like look everywhere. Just get like a whole bunch of stuff that you guys don't wear no more, don't use no more, and then post it on OfferUp, Facebook, Poshmark, Grail, whatever website you want to use to sell your stuff. Just post it on there. It'll sell. Just don't like price it for like some insane price, unless it's like some Jordan 4, Travis Scott Jordan 4s or something like that. But if it's like a Zara or a Gap hoodie, post it on Facebook, Grail, $10, $15, $20, sell it, and then get your bread, because they're not gonna say no. Everybody needs to clear their house out. It's an easy side hustle to get some money in your pocket, but it's not gonna be forever, because it's not like you can like sell everything in the house. Like, you still gotta have some stuff to wear. But yeah, it's just like an easy way to get rid of some of that clutter in your house, to put some money in your pocket while doing it, and also learning how to sell to people, learn a little bit of customer service. So yeah, this is like a easy side hustle to do if you want to start something else. If you need like a little bit of money in your pocket to start something that you really been wanting to do, that's a really easy way to start putting some money in your pocket first of all. But yeah, when you meet up with people, just be careful. I never did that before. They be trying to rob people out here. That's why I never did like an in-person meet before. But yeah, I just don't be meeting up with people for real. That's like an easy way to get robbed, especially in California. You know, these people desperate out here for this money. But just be careful if you're meeting up with anybody. I always recommend to ship your things out. Never meet up with people people, and that's like, I don't even know. I wouldn't even say meet up in a public space. Like, people don't care no more. On God, they gonna rob you in front of McDonald's or at the mall. Like, they don't care no more. But just be careful if you are meeting up with people. Always go with like a pair or something like that. Sell stuff around the house. Look around. I don't even care. Like, it gotta be like, we got like old rims. Post it on Facebook Marketplace. Somebody will come buy them, come pick them up, whatever. Just like stuff like that, for real. It ain't gotta be nothing major. But yeah, let's get on to the, what is it? All right, this is the sixth thing. Let's get on to the 16th. But this next one, this is kind of controversial. Starting a clothing brand, clothing line, whatever you want to do, t-shirt. I wouldn't recommend this for beginners, for real, because this is like not something easy to do. The clothing market is like one of the hardest industries to get into, because fashion is changing like every day. Like, I know y'all saw the Mistress boots, them big red Astro Boy boots right here. I know y'all saw them, came out of nowhere. So like, fashion is changing all the time. That's not really like a good industry to get into, but I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. You can if you want to, but you better have that dog in you, for real. You gotta like want it for real. Like, you gotta have a love for fashion, like, for real. You wanna do that? Like, even me, I like throwing on like cool designer thrift store outfits, whatever. I can say I like fashion, but I'm not gonna go start a clothing brand, because I know I'm in a group chat with people who have clothing brands. It's not easy, especially customers complaining about shipping, customers complaining about price, manufacturers scammed you, gave you the wrong product or the wrong quality, or messed up something. The shipping times especially, oh my God. Like, it'd be like a month to get your sample in, and then, or if you pre-order, it's saying 3 to 4 weeks. I'm not waiting 3 to 4 weeks to get my stuff. Nah, this is like a whole bunch of stuff that goes into a clothing brand that you guys don't see. All you guys see is them laying on their packages or all their sales, like $400,000 in sales. That's all you see. You don't see the back end work that goes into owning clothing brands, for real. But hey, if y'all want to do that, I mean, you can make some money with it, but clothing brand is not something easy to get into. If you're in school, I recommend you do that at most, or college, whatever, high school, college, because I know that some of your friends, there's gonna be some people at your school like, hey, let me get that, let me rock it. And then yeah, you just have people at school support you. There's always gonna be people at school that will support what you're doing. If you wanna start a clothing brand, I recommend you do it while you're in college or high school, because you always will have those friends that will support your brand, no matter how trash it is. So for this last one right here, it's just start a business. If you have a problem in your community, let's say you recognize, hey, everybody's trash can down the street is like super dirty. Boom, right there, business idea. Start a trash can cleaning thing. Go get you a pressure washer and clean their trash cans out. I mean, if somebody came to my house, I'll clean both your trash cans for like $40. I'll be like, bet, there you go. Cause I know I want to clean trash cans. So it's like minor stuff like that. Just like look around your community, look around your city. Just like try to find problems that you could solve, for real. Problems that you could solve with a product or a business that people could buy, or a service, I mean. And then you could turn that trash can cleaning company into like a whole trash can cleaning truck. Cause I know, damn, we probably need to buy one of those, I'm not gonna lie, before we move out. But yeah, see, look right there, because everybody needs that, for real. Because I know some people are just like dirty stuff like that. Just like think, for real, like what's a problem I can solve with a product or a service and that people will buy. That's it. That's all my tips. If you enjoyed this video, or if this video was helpful, y'all took notes, whatever, make sure to leave a like, comment, let me know if any of these things that you guys do already or that you're thinking about doing, and make sure to sub up. Thank you for watching all the way through, and I love y'all. I'm out. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace, bro. Anybody could do this. Like, you just gotta work, for real. Look at that, $15,838 in sales, and I'm only 16. So any age can do this, for real. You just gotta like put in that work. I can't keep saying that enough. Put in that work. Stop hanging out with friends. Stop going out to drink. Stop going to parties. Stop doing extra stuff. Just get home, get in your grind, work for real, and you will see the results. And I'm gonna catch y'all. It's been Kinda Kid, and I'm out.